really sorry about that.
No, I mean in a good way,
In 10
positive way.
minutes. That's how we talk to time.
That's the high compliment. Thank you.
Okay. Till today, this was what we had in mind. So I'll start with that. I'm sure all of you might have heard about global warming and the impact of climate change. So not explaining it again. There is a growing concern for protection of environment. The fact here is that the damage to the environment is done. So despite many awareness campaigns, people still find it harder to adopt to a greener lifestyle. That is because change of habit is hard for them. So what I had in my mind was, so an example would be that recently in Abu Dhabi, they increased the charges on water and electricity. Residents of Abu Dhabi has to pay 30% more for water and 28% more for electricity, and that's in just the past month, in the last month. So the government, what they said, the reason was it's an effort to boost environmental protection and develop sustainability. So what we had in mind, the solution is that to use technology to minimize the wastage of resources, be it electricity or water, without affecting the lifestyle or habit. So our product proposition was that it's to help people reduce their water and electricity consumption by providing customized services of implementing these technologies at their homes or offices. Now, this technology that I'm talking about, it's not so complex. It already exists and it doesn't have to be invented or something. So I have a few examples here. So one would be an altered nozzle for the taps. So it gives, I mean, in effect, it is of the same use of a normal tap, but it uses 98% less water. So you get the same 98% less water. What it does is that it atomizes the water, so it basically turns it into tiny bubbles, sort of like a mist. You get the same use as of a normal water, but 98% less water. So this is again a shower head with that. So another benefit while showering and all, you get the water has more surface area, so more part of your body gets covered when it's in the form of a mist rather than a running tap. So another example will be of course automation using an app to control the lights and appliances, and these are motion sensor lighting. So these sort of lighting are used in hotel corridors. So what it does is that when there are people moving around in the corridors, the light brightens up, and all the other time it's in a dim. So all of these are simple technologies, but it can be implemented in homes or offices. Now, of course, the solar roofs. So imagine if all of these are combined at one place. Imagine the impact of that. These are simple changes, but the impact can be huge. The savings can be huge for a person over a year. So, I had a few scenarios here. I'm not showing everything. I just my friend just